Hey folks, John Thompson, Spring Framework Guru here. So I want to take a moment and introduce myself. I've been coding Java for 10, 15 years now, Spring most of that time. I worked as a Spring Source consultant for Pivotal for about 18 months with several of their major retail clients. I've installed Spring for major financial institutions, big financial companies. Spring is widely used out in the enterprise. I've seen it used in a number of different situations. I've been using Spring for a long, long time. I've seen Spring evolve. I've seen Spring code written very well, and I've seen Spring code written very poorly. And as I go through my courses, I do try to give you tips and advice how to use Spring, what you want to be doing, what you don't want to be doing, common errors that I see, common problems that I see with the Spring code. Now, I'll interject all that in. When it comes to support for the course, the videos do have a messaging system where you can leave me messages along in the course. Please do so. Be as thorough as possible, and I do try to respond to everyone that I get, and I do try to respond to those. And if you do run into an issue, give me as much information as possible. It's frustrating to me if I don't have enough information from you to help you out. If you just say, hey, I got an error, I'll be like, okay, what was that error? Give me some context. Tell me what you're doing, what you're seeing, what you're not seeing, what the details of the error message are, or if you did something outside the course and you weren't following an example, you're trying to experiment on your own, give me details about the source code that you wrote, and I'll be able to help you out. The more information you give me, the more help I can provide you. I do try to read every comment. I do try to respond to every comment. And if you never need to contact me, I am available for my students. You can email me at john@springframework.guru. Again, my email is john@springframework.guru, and I will try to respond to you as soon as possible.